This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert video files using the VLC Media Player. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. First thing you need to do is open up the VLC Media Player. I'm going to go down to the search box down here on my taskbar. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to locate the VLC Media Player. If you don't see it here, you could type it in up here. But mine is right here. I'm going to click on it to open it. Next thing you need to do after you've opened the player, you want to click on the Media tab up top here. Media. Then you want to go down to where it says Convert/Save. Convert/Save. In this dialog box that opens up here, I'm under the first tab here, File. I'm going to go off to the right here and I'm going to click on Add. Now in this dialog box you need to locate the video file on your computer that you want to convert. I have an AVI file here that I want to convert. I'm going to click on it to select it. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom down here and I'm going to click on Open. Now as you can see, the file has been added in this box right here. Next thing you want to do is go down to the bottom down here and you want to click on Convert/Save. Now in this dialog box that has opened, in this area right in here there is a drop down. You want to click the drop down and you want to choose what file type you want to convert it to. I'm going to convert this to an MP4, but it gives you all different file types here. There's an MPEG here, a WNV. You can actually scroll down further. They got a pretty big variety. I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to click on it. And then you want to go down to the bottom down here where it says Destination File. You need to choose the destination for this file. I'm going to click on Browse. And in this dialog box that opens up here, you want to name this file. I'm just going to name it New File. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom down here and I'm going to click on Save. And then all you need to do is click on Start here. Now depending on your on the size of your file, it could take several minutes depending on the size of your file. But that is how you convert a video file using the VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching.